Oh my god, I burned the pot. It's really bad. I burned it really bad. So what am I going to do? I'm going to try the vinegar. I know people said use Coca-Cola. I want this pot. It goes with the set with my other pots. So I'm going to try vinegar. So here we go. I'll leave vinegar in here for a couple of days. There's vinegar. Leave it in here for a couple of days. And then I'll try to save it. Okay, this is day 1. Okay. I'll rinse it out. Hang on. Here. I rinsed it out a bit. So here, let me add the vinegar. There. Leave it for a couple of days and see what happens. Hopefully I could save it. Okay. Stay tuned. So here, I use vinegar. Look, it came off. How gross. Vinegar works. Okay. So it's pretty good so far. Okay, let's keep going. Stage 2. Okay. It's almost clean. Oh my god. It's almost clean from vinegar.